You open up Classroom, you're going to go to today, or if it's the orange schedule on Thursday, you're going to go to the 23rd as well, unless it's been relabeled. You're going to click on Make a Model of How a Parachute Works, and that will open up to this page. There'll be instructions on the side. You're going to make a model using the drawings and make a model of how a parachute works. Make sure you follow instructions on the side. Then you're going to go back and you're going to open up your slides, the parachute model slides, and you're going to insert your model onto the slides. So the way you're going to do that, first of all, is you're going to go to File on the drawing, then Download JPEG, and then that'll save it for you. You guys need to be quiet. I'm recording a video. Then you'll go back onto the slides and click your slide. You can pick any one you want. Just make sure no one else is on it. Go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, and then it should be the one at the top, and then that will be how you insert your slide. So if you didn't understand it, watch the video again because it goes through all the steps. Hey y'all, I'm recording a video up here.